For Hindi video, you can watch my videos in Hindi on my Hindi channel. Link is in description. Let's begin. Assalamu alaikum, good evening. Welcome back to my channel once again. This video is about US indexes, gold, silver, euro and Bitcoin. This is Dow Jones chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 34,238. In my morning update, which I update for my YouTube members in community post, I have already suggested Dow Jones was in positive zone. That time Dow Jones was trading around 34,080 and 90. Currently it is trading 34,250. So let's quickly have a look at resistance and support. Then we will assess the trend of the market. Dow Jones support stands at 34,030 now. Dow Jones resistance would be 34,380. Currently Dow Jones trend is positive, so I would recommend not to go for sell. But if Dow Jones break 34,030 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Dow Jones to test around 33,900 and 33,700. Currently Dow Jones is in positive zone. Let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq hourly chart. Currently Nasdaq is trading 13,538. In fact, it is trading almost at the highest point of the day. Today high in Nasdaq at 13,553. Today's low at 13,492. So let's have a quickly resistance and support now. Nasdaq support stands at 13,430. Nasdaq resistance at 13,670. Currently Nasdaq is also in positive zone, so I would recommend you not to go for sell. But if Nasdaq break 430 and manage to sustain below that level, then Nasdaq trend will reverse and it would enter in weak zone. Today is Friday, so I would advise you to not to go for any major trade. And if you want to hold any position for Monday, I would recommend you not to do that. Let's move on to S&P 500. Then we will see gold prices and silver prices. This is gold chart. Currently gold is trading 1885. It made high of 1889.30 today. Today's low at 1870.34. It is trading almost at the highest point of the day because it just made the high of 1889.3 in this candle itself. So what is the resistance and support? Let's quickly have a look at resistance and support. Gold support now fixed at $1872. Gold resistance now still intact, 1892. This is the same resistance I have given yesterday, and this is the same resistance I have given in my morning video, which I update on Hindi channel. You can also watch my Hindi channel. Video comes around 11 AM Indian timing, just before London opens. Current trend is positive, so avoid going for sell. But today is Friday, so if you want to hold any position, I would recommend you not to do that, because in weekend it could be anything which could influence gold and silver prices, or even Dow Jones and Nasdaq. This is silver prices. Currently silver is trading $27.98 after making a high of $28.06. If you have watched my yesterday's video, I have given resistance of $18.05. Interestingly, that resistance is still intact and we would go with that. Just a minor tweak. Silver resistance at $28.10. Silver support would be now $27.60. Currently silver is also in positive zone, so I would recommend not to go for sell. But if silver break 27.60 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect 27.30 and even $27. Let's move on to euro. After that we will see Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin chart. Currently it is trading 2192 after making a low of 2178. If you have watched my morning video on my Hindi channel, then you must be knowing I have given a support around 2210 It has broken that support and crashed almost 30 pips from the support. Currently it is trading in weak zone. If you have watched my morning video, then you must be knowing that it is in weak zone, because I have already suggested in morning itself that if euro break and sustain below 22.10, it would enter in weak zone. Let's move on to the new resistance and support now. Euro resistance now stands at 22.50. Euro support stands at 21.65. As said earlier, euro is in weak zone, so I avoid going for sell. Interestingly, gold and silver are in positive zone. Even dollar index is in positive zone, but here euro is in weak zone. That is a very interesting stuff going on. Let's move on to Bitcoin now. And before proceeding to Bitcoin, if you haven't liked this video, do not forget to press the like button. And if you are not a subscriber, do not forget to press the red subscribe button and click the bell icon. While this is Bitcoin chart, I want to show you the levels I have posted in morning. Here it is. Bitcoin was trading 40,260. I suggested Bitcoin is in positive zone, and you can see Bitcoin is up almost 200 points after making a high of, let's see what's the high today. It gained almost $1,500 after my morning post. So I hope you have subscribed by clicking the join button. If not, then you are missing major updates in cryptocurrencies, of course. Current Bitcoin support stands at $38,400. Bitcoin resistance at $42,300. Currently trend is positive, so avoid going for sell. Avoid going for sell till it is not breaking 38,400. Below 38,400, it would enter in weak zone. I hope you have enjoyed this video or find this video useful. If yes, please do not forget to press the like button. If you have any trade stuck in market, do not hesitate to leave the comment in comment section. I will try to reply that. Now I will see you directly on Monday. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Happy weekend.